Hey, what's up guys? Today I am going to show you how to turn the default cube into a wonderful desktop wallpaper. So let's jump into it. I am using Blender version 2.92. Firstly, select and delete this camera and light. Then select the cube and place its one vertex at the origin. Then select the option and turn on the origin selection. Then select the origin of the cube and hit Shift S and select Selection to Cursor. Now turn off the origin selection. Now rotate this cube like this. Now press Shift plus A and add a plane and scale it up. Now organize your layout panel as your preference. Here I add a 3D viewport at bottom right. Now go to shader editor. As you can see, here a material is already created. Tweak these settings, decrease the roughness value and increase the transmission value at 0.85 and also increase the transmission roughness at 0.15. Now go to render properties and select Cycles Render Engine and also select device to GPU compute if you have a graphics card. In my case, I have a NVIDIA GPU. Now you can turn on viewport denoising, and if you have a RTX card, then you can use optics denoiser. I will use this at final render. And also turn the color management to standard. Now go to world properties and turn the background color into black. Now select the cube, go to modifier properties, add modifier and select solidify modifier. Then go to X-ray mode by hitting Alt plus Z. Increase the thickness value about 0.3 and then add a second modifier called bevel. Increase the amount of bevel to 0.8 and also increase the segment to 5. Now right click and click Shade Smooth. Now hit Shift A and add a point light and place this at the center of the cube. Now go to Object Data Properties and increase the radius of the lamp and also increase the power. Now set the color as you want. Here I choose violet looking color. Now select the plane and add a new material. Then turn the metallic value to 1. Add a name to all the materials is a good habit, otherwise later you can face problems. Now turn the roughness value of the plane to 0.15. Now add a camera, choose a best looking position and hit Ctrl Alt 0. Now select the camera and hit G and make fine adjustments. Now add a second cube and scale it up as everything is in this cube. Now add a new material to the second cube. Now delete the principal BSDF and hit Shift A and add a principal volume shader. Now plug the principal volume to the volume of the material output. Don't plug it to the surface. Make sure you check every steps in render mode by hitting Z plus render. Now decrease the density and emission strength to 0.001. Now turn the emission color as you want. Here I choose blue and it's looking nice. Now select the cube, go to Object Properties, under Viewport Display, select Display as Wire. Now select the plane and press Shift D and make a duplicate. Now move the plane above the cube. Now add a UV sphere and move it under everything to hide it. Select Shade Smooth. Add a new material and delete the principal BSDF and add a emission shader. Plug it to the surface. Select a matching color and increase the strength to 2. Select the duplicate plane and go to Particle Properties and add a particle system. Here increase the lifespan. Go down to Render and underneath turn Render from Halo to Object. Now select the UV sphere as Instance Object. Increase the scale randomness to 1 and also adjust the scale.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is
Now play the animation and choose a good looking frame.
I am restricted.
Now go to Render Properties, increase the sample count to 150. You can also turn on denoising if you want.
Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of disrespect.
Now go to Output Properties and scroll down to the Output section and select File Format to PNG or any of these image formats. Then decrease the compression value to 0. Now set the resolution at 25% for a sample image. Now hit F12. After finishing the render, go to Composition tab and check the Use Node box. Now you can see the nodes.
Burning the bridge that
Hit Shift A and type Viewer and hit Enter. Plug the render layer image to Viewer node image.
the story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still.
Now add a glare node, place between it.
I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.
Now turn this glare to fog glow and set threshold value to 0 and increase the size to 9. Also set the glare quality to high. Now adjust the glare by using the mix value.
A feel of discontent, I'm finally facing it all. Fearless.
Now finally set the render scale to 100% and also set the output path. Turn on denoising, then increase the sample count to 200 and hit F12. So there you have it, a good looking desktop wallpaper from the default Cube. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, then smash the like button. And also if you want more like this, then subscribe to my channel. Until then, my name is Auditro and you are watching CubeRex. Peace out.